So how do you turn these into these?
Hi guys, we're glad to get these videos up and running again after taking a little break to produce some book titles. Draw It With Me and Bryte Products are excited to bring you this new rock painting video. We're going to create some crazy new characters: Yeti, Ninja, and Spider Scientist. We're going to work on some simple designs for rock painting beginners, but we'll also show you a few options that are more intermediate to advanced. We're excited to have two special guests joining us today, Christie and Logan. So let's get to it.
A good place to begin is to clean your rocks with warm water. Be sure to scrub off all the dirt and dust, as paint doesn't stick to these surfaces all too well. Our next step is to paint the rocks a solid color that relates to whatever character you have in mind to produce. We'll be using acrylic water-based paints similar to those available in Bryte Products rock painting kits. Give your rock at least 2 coats of paint if you want it to appear vibrant and opaque. Some colors go on thicker than others, so they may require more layers. As all rocks are shaped differently, choose rocks that complement the type of character or creature you intend to create. To get started, you'll need some additional supplies: water to rinse your brush when switching colors, paper towels to clean up any spills, scissors, a pencil, crayon, or marker to draw out your characters.
Alright, so this will be our Yeti character, and we'll start with kind of a circle at the top of the rock. So I'll start at the very top, give him a little bit of a widow's peak there. Bring the head around, so kind of a circle with a little dip at the top there. And then we'll be placing cotton balls kind of all around him for his fur. So this will just be the open skin portion of his face that we'll be showing. Good job, bud. All right, so give him a big smile here, full of teeth. Give him 4 teeth here. 2 little slits for nose right above the nostrils. All right. And then we'll use beady eyes on this one, so just kind of give him some eyebrows up at the top there. Scary Yeti eyebrows. Doesn't it? Does until you add the beady eyes, doesn't it? All right, and then we'll give him a chest here, just a couple lines that come down. And again, his arms will also be cotton balls that come around the sides. And then we'll give him a big blue belly. So just a big circle that goes all the way to the bottom, comes back up and connects like so. So this one kind of looks funny without the fur. And give him a little navel, little belly button there. Looks good. All right, and that's pretty simple. Yeti is pretty simple, and that is all finished.
We need a circle around it.
That's the shape of the rock. Good job.
All right, Logan, are you ready? Okay, so this is Yeti, and he's gonna be super simple because we don't even have to paint the outside. We're gonna put cotton balls on him there. So we just have to do his belly and his face. So we're going to start with this light blue, and we're gonna paint his belly. If you want it thin and light, you can just do a really thin layer of paint. If you want it really thick, you don't want any of the dark blue underneath showing, you can put it on thicker or do multiple coats. It's whatever you want. Or you can even make them a different color. You don't have to do light blue. You can have a red Yeti if you want. A white Yeti. Yeah, white Yeti will work. And you probably might have different colors at home, so you can pick whatever colors you want. I usually like to paint inside the lines and leave a little bit of the lines. You don't have to. You can color it all in if you want. Or paint it all in, I should say. All right. Oh, yours looks good. All right, so now we got a belly on our With your brushes, and we'll just show them all our cute painted Yeti. Oh, those are awesome. This is gonna be a scary dude. Okay, we're gonna do our Yeti. Oh, they look so scary, don't they? With their fat bellies. Okay, so for Yeti, we're gonna put some cute googly eyes on our Yeti. What do you think? You don't have to have googly eyes. I'm gonna put googly eyes on mine.
Because my eyes are shut.
You have shut eyes. Okay, I'm gonna use these cute googly eyes. And then the other thing we're gonna use are cotton balls. I don't know, I guess the table's looking at me. Okay, should we show the camera our cute Yetis? There you go. So there are the cute Yetis we did. Oh, let me move me all the way so you can see. Good job, Logan.
So we have our rock painting characters, Yeti, Ninja, and Spider Scientist. Whether you're new to this, have some or a lot of experience, you can do this in your very own style. Again, thanks for joining us. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy painting. Take care.